If you want to use a translator for conversation on iPhone 17e, then in that case we can use the Translate app, which is already of course pre-installed for us. So once you find the app and open it, of course we're gonna go continue. We don't have to share audio recordings. Then over here we can switch to the conversation option at the bottom of this screen. Over here we should be able to select the first language that is going to be used in the conversation and the second language over here. So you can choose your language and the language of the other person that you're trying to communicate with. And you can use the microphone in order to start recording yourself, and your phone should be able to pick it up what you are saying, convert it into the text, and then your text, your speech is going to be translated quite easily, as you can see here. Of course, we can also play it back in order to play the translation, and that's all you probably have to do. Of course, we can use these three dots in the upper right corner in order to find some additional options, so be sure to check them out. We have automatic detection of languages as well. If you turn it off, then you have two microphones instead, so you can decide if you want to use your language, or if the other person is trying to say something, then you can activate it for their language in order to ensure that your iPhone correctly picks up the correct language, of course. We can also automatically play translations, automatically translate. We can also go to translations, and if you tap on view, you can switch to the face-to-face view, and we can switch sides as well. For example, in case someone is standing like in front of us, if it's just convenient, a convenient way to use the translator. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.